question 25, we're now working with compound interest. The key area to get right in this particular sequence of questions is to make sure that you're dealing with the correct interest calculation. And 25A, it's quarterly. So I get my 8, divide by 100, and then divide by 4, which gives me 0.02. Whatever I divide by, my number of payments is accordingly multiplied by. So setting this out, this is what I'll have. The principal of $3,000 times 1 plus 0.02 raised to the power of 20. You can either do that as a string, or we can add the brackets. Brackets first, of course. So on the calculator, I'll do the brackets included in this instance. And you can see, it doesn't matter if I do my brackets or do the addition inside, what I end up with in this instance is 4,457.84. In the next problem, C happens also to be quarterly. And remember, what you divide by, you're going to multiply by when you're calculating through. So on the calculator, so you get that little raised figure when you use your power key, and that's raised to the power of 24. So in this instance, 4,352.65. I'll work through E on the same basis. Please notice that when you do this, the amount in the account includes the principal as well. So really the interest here, subtracting the 3,000. And if I wanted to find the interest here, I'd do the subtraction between the amount, the account, and the figure invested. So A, take P. I'll work through 25E now. Same principle, same, well, I shouldn't say principle, same tactics. Now I'd also like to take this opportunity just to introduce you to the calculator methodology that we could employ for this. So your calculator has, under the menu Financial, Compound Interest Calculation. And here we can go through, I'll demonstrate A in this instance. So we're going to have 5 times 4, 20. The interest, I can enter just the regular interest, which is, in this instance, 8%, sorry. The present amount. Now this is just a little fiddly thing. Because that money's coming out of my pocket, or the person's pocket, we take out 3,000. I don't know what the future amount is, but the compounding period per year is quarters, or are quarters. And hitting the future value, what I'm going to get back at the end, and you can see in this particular instance, or payment, sorry, 0, I'm not paying anything. And you can see the figure highlighted, the 4,457.84. I'll quickly demonstrate C, but it's probably very handy if you can do this rather than me just showing you. In the second instance, negative because it's coming out of my pocket. That's the way in which the calculator does it. 0 once again. Doing this quarterly, so I'll leave that as 4. And you can see the 4,352.65. And very quickly, the last one, the interest rate, 625. Nice if you could get it. I'll leave that as 0 and come back to it. Twice a year, very important we have that right. And then the future value. And you can see $2,110.55.